M&M English Academy presents 10 Everyday English Words.
Aisle. Aisle. I found the cereal in the third aisle next to the cookies. I found the cereal in the third aisle next to the cookies.
Barcode. Barcode. The cashier scanned the barcode to check the price. The cashier scanned the barcode to check the price.
Dairy. Dairy. You can find milk and cheese in the dairy section. You can find milk and cheese in the dairy section.
Shelf. Shelf. The pasta is on the top shelf. The pasta is on the top shelf.
Cart. Cart. She filled the cart with fruits and vegetables. She filled the cart with fruits and vegetables.
Cashier. Cashier. The cashier gave me the receipt after I paid. The cashier gave me the receipt after I paid.
Self-checkout. Self-checkout. I used the self-checkout to pay for my groceries quickly. I used the self-checkout to pay for my groceries quickly.
Butcher. Butcher. I asked the butcher for a kilo of fresh beef. I asked the butcher for a kilo of fresh beef.
Receipt. Receipt. I got a receipt for my groceries. I got a receipt for my groceries.
Frozen food. Frozen food. She bought frozen food for the week. She bought frozen food for the week.
Now, it's time to test your knowledge.
Dairy. Dairy.
Butcher. Butcher.
Self-checkout. Self-checkout. Aisle. Aisle.
Complete the sentence.
The supermarket shelf was full of fresh bread.
My supermarket cart is full of vegetables.
The supermarket sells a lot of frozen food.
The supermarket receipt shows all the items I bought.
For more videos like this, subscribe and give the video a like.